Hello. Welcome to my channel 5-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Can you tell me about yourself? Today, I will give you some ways to introduce yourself with model introductions.
Hello. My name is Minan. I am in grade 3A. I come from Vietnam. I live in Hanoi. My birthday is in May. My favorite color is green. My favorite food is pho. My favorite animal is a cat. I enjoy playing soccer. Hi everyone. I am Yuki Tanaka. I am in grade 2B. I come from Japan. I live in Tokyo. My birthday is in July. My favorite color is pink. I like sushi. My favorite animal is a dog. I enjoy swimming.
Hello. My name is Youngsu. I am in grade 5. I come from Korea. I live in Seoul. My birthday is in March. My favorite color is red. I like chips. My favorite animal is a fish. I enjoy playing badminton.
Hello, my name is Jack. I am in grade 4C. I come from the USA. I live in New York. My favorite animal is a panda. I enjoy playing basketball.
Hello. My name is Natowet. I am in grade 7. I come from Thailand. I live in Bangkok. My birthday is in November. My favorite colors are yellow and blue. I love bread. My favorite animal is an elephant. I enjoy listening to music.
Hello. My name is Sophia. I am in grade 10. I come from Australia. I live in Sydney. My birthday is in December. My favorite color is purple. I love meat pie. My favorite animal is a kangaroo. I enjoy surfing.
What about you? What are your favorite things?